and welcome. This is San Diego dog bite attorney Mark Blane, and I wanted to take a brief opportunity to talk about the exceptions to dog bite liability in California. I got a question the other day asking, Mark, what are the exceptions to escaping fault in California if I'm a dog owner? Well, there's about 5 of them, so I'll just kind of list them out right now. Number 1 is if the victim of the dog bite is a trespasser, meaning that the dog owner didn't know about the trespasser being there. There's a narrow exception under California law where liability can be escaped. The second area is where the dog bite victim is a veterinary doctor, performing medical services to the animal or dog. If the vet gets bit, there's an exception. The vet can't sue the dog owner because of that. Number 3, if the dog bite victim was committing a felony, so if there's a crime being committed that's a felony and the person gets bit by your dog, there's no liability there. So that's good. Number 4 is whether or not the dog bite victim provoked the dog. So if the person who got bit was kind of hounding the dog a little bit, there's some arguments there for some contributory, what's called contributory negligence, to help escape fault from the dog owner. And the 5th exception to fault in California with the dog bite would be whether or not the dog is a military or police dog performing military or police function. If that's the case, then there's a narrow exception for fault in California for a dog bite. So hopefully that answers the question. I've got a free ebook download on my website, blanelaw.com, and it talks about these types of questions and many more. There's over 35 frequently asked questions in the book, 7 things you don't do to ruin your own dog bite injury case. So feel free to get it anytime. It's for anyone who's been injured in California or is a resident of California. And if you have any questions on dog bites, you can call me anytime. I answer questions like this from folks all the time. My phone number should be in the screen that you see, and feel free to call me on any questions that has to do with dog bites. Thank you for joining me, and have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. Thank you.